if someone is notified when you screenshot their Instagram story. So, firstly, I have this one story here. And to investigate, I will use my other account to screenshot that story and see if it notifies my main account. So let me just screenshot this. And going back to my main account, I'm gonna click the heart icon at the top of my screen. And as you can see, there is no notification. And this means that Instagram doesn't notify you when someone screenshots your story. Now, let's try another approach. I'm here again in my Instagram story, and swiping my screen up, I can see that my other account has viewed this Instagram story, but there is no indication that it screenshotted this particular story, even if it did. So, yeah, to sum it up, Instagram does not send notifications when someone screenshots the story. However, if someone takes a screenshot of a photo in your chats, he will be notified. So, for example, I send a photo to my other account, and then I'm going to screenshot it. And then if I go back to my main account and go back to my messages, I can see a small icon beside that message, which indicates that the screenshot was taken.